everyone, my name is Sophie. I am a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. If this is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. So today, I'm going to be sharing 5 business ideas slash skills that would make you a millionaire in 2024. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Number 1, Amazon KDP.
Amazon KDP is simply writing and uploading books on Kindle Direct Publishing on Amazon. And guess what? You do not have to write any of these books yourself, and you can upload as much books as possible and make a lot of money. I'm talking about millions of naira every single month.
Skill number 2, importation business.
I guess some of you haven't heard of the term mini importation business. It is simply a business model where you import product overseas, like countries like China, UK, US, at a cheaper price and resell it at a higher price, up to 200 to 500% return on investment on each item. Let's say, for example, you bought an item for less than 1,000 naira. You can sell it as high as 5,000 naira. So, yeah.
So number 3 on my list is Forex Trading.
Forex trading is simply the exchange of one currency for another simultaneously through a brokerage. It is also predicting price movement. So the foreign exchange market is based on probabilities. If you can master this skill, the sky would be your limit. Look at the likes of Dapo Willis, Jeffrey Benson. They have been able to master the foreign exchange market.
4th on my list is affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing is a business model where you get paid a commission for promoting people's products. On Expertnaire, you can get paid as high as 50,000 naira in commission for each product you promote. Imagine selling a product that would pay you a commission as high as 50,000 naira per sale. If you can sell just 10 products in a month, that is 500,000 naira. So, yeah.
5 on my list is e-commerce.
E-commerce is a business model that uses digital methods to sell products and services to customers. It involves having a website or digital storefront. Also, payments are made digitally and others are being shipped to customers. The likes of Jumia and Amazon are examples of digital storefronts. If you can master all of these skills I have just enlightened you on, the sky would be your limit. You can be making millions and millions and millions of naira every single month. If you are interested in learning any of these skills, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box down below so you could learn.
We have come to the end of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below in case you have any other business skill that you would like to add, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.